In this lesson, you'll learn how to expand photos in Photoshop. Do Command S to save. You'll see the photos inside of the sketch template.psd. Let's rename these layers before we do anything else. Layer 1 is actually the couple relaxing. This layer is the Airbnb. And this layer is the smartphone. Let's expand some of the photos. Let's turn off the couple relaxing and the smartphone layer and concentrate on the Airbnb photo. Let's bring the opacity back up to 100. Let's turn off the template layer. The reason why I'm turning off the template layer is I don't want Photoshop to see that layer and incorporate it with the Airbnb layer. That's important when we generate more imagery to the top and the bottom. Make sure you're on the Airbnb layer, get the rectangular marquee tool, and select the top of the image, but go into the image just a little bit. And then press the Shift key and go into the image just a little bit on the bottom and drag down. And we're going to add in more information on the top and the bottom with Photoshop's AI. Click on the drop down for the window and then click on Contextual Task Bar. Some of you may already have this bar open, but if you don't, that's how you open it up. Click on Generative Fill button. You don't have to write anything here because this is the only imagery that's in Photoshop. Click on Generate. It's generating with Firefly, which is another Adobe software. All right, if you look at the Properties panel, you'll see 1, 2, 3 different choices to choose from. I like number 3. Notice that Photoshop created a new layer. So let's right-click on that layer and merge it down to the Airbnb layer. So it's one image. Now we can bring the opacity down to 50%. Turn on the template, and now you'll see that we've filled up the full panel with imagery now from that photograph that we can sketch from. Get the rectangular marquee tool, click and drag where the guide is for the sketched area, and do Command J to duplicate that layer. You'll have a new layer called Layer 1. Click on the Airbnb layer and delete it. Click on Layer 1, and we're going to rename that Airbnb. And look at that. This looks perfect. Now we can sketch from that. This lesson will continue in the next video.